Y'all, I want to show you this little park that me and Mrs. Eatin Good in the Woods happened to stumble across while on our regular Saturday drive. This is a beautiful little campground called Carolina Hemlocks Recreation Area. Y'all stick around, I'll show you around. Before we go any further, I'd like to remind you guys, please don't forget to mash that subscribe button, give me a big old thumbs up, maybe even leave me a comment or two. I sure would appreciate it. And while I'm thinking about it, go to your Play Store or wherever it is you get apps and download this app, RV Parking. It is an absolutely wonderful app for searching for campgrounds, both private and public. Whether it be a county park, a national park, or somebody's personal RV park. It is fantastic. It also tells you where you can find nearby gas stations with dump stations and Walmarts, Cracker Barrels, etc. that allow overnight parking. Go check this one out. It's fantastic. Now listen, I want to start this video off by warning you about something. This is an active bear area. Now, bears are cute, bears are cuddly. They probably will be with their young, but I'm warning you, do not approach a bear. And don't do something like toss marshmallows their way or leave your food out while camping. Bears will come to your site. Bears can be very dangerous. Please, take the advice of your old Uncle Eatin Good in the Woods and just be careful around the bears. Now on to the fun part. Carolina Hemlocks Recreation Area offers 2 paved loops that are aligned with 36 campsites. Split by NC 80, the loops have camping sites for tents and RVs. Each site includes, the usual, a table, fire ring with cooking grill, and a lantern post. There's a place to fill your freshwater tanks as well as flush toilets and showers. All these sites are electric, non-standard. Carolina Hemlocks Recreation Area sits in the scenic mountains of Pisgah National Forest. This is a great place for a small to medium-sized group to swim, fish, tube, hike, camp, picnic, or simply relax in the cool shade of the forest. As the name suggests, Carolina Hemlocks Recreation Area is shaded by a thick hemlock forest with a mix of gorgeous trees and rhododendron. The facility is adjacent to the South Toe River and sits at an elevation of 2,900 feet. The river provides endless hours of fun for families and water enthusiasts, including swimming and tubing. Anglers can also try their luck for trout and smallmouth bass from the shore. Picnickers will enjoy relaxing in the shade picnic shelters set amidst the deep woods. After eating, visitors can take a leisurely walk across a 1-mile trail or get a workout on a 3.8-mile trail. Activities include swimming, water sports, hiking, interpretive programs, camping, climbing, and biking. Visitors can also enjoy a scenic drive along the nearby Blue Ridge Parkway or hiking in Mount Mitchell State Park, which I've got to tell you is an absolute gorgeous place. And if you want an interesting read, I shall link this in the bottom, but if you want an interesting read, go and read about the feud between Mitchell and Klingman. It's an interesting read. Say, that reminds me, if y'all are looking for a way to support this channel, keep this here train rolling full of farm fresh content twice a week, why don't you slide over to my Teespring shop, get yourself a coffee mug or maybe even a t-shirt. But if you don't want to do that, how about you go to buymeacoffee.com, and for the price of a cup of coffee, you help keep this train a-rolling. You can also visit boondockerswelcome.com. All of the links are in the description. Thanks a bunch. A couple things you need to know. The campground is open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Generators may be used for up to 4 hours per day between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. First come, first served campsites are available. Cell service, unfortunately, is limited. Texting might be a possibility. As I mentioned before, this facility is located within a bear sanctuary. Make sure you keep all food out of sight, in containers, or locked inside a hard-sided vehicle. Secure trash in provided bins and remove all food after eating. And as always, don't move firewood. Please help protect our forests. Prevent the spread of tree-killing pests by obtaining firewood at or near your destination and burning it all on site. Moving firewood is illegal in some states. Go to don'tmovefirewood.org to learn more. Folks, that's going to be about it for this review. This is a small campground, but it's a beautiful campground. And again, it's one that I had no idea was here. Me and Mrs. Eatin Good in the Woods kind of stumbled across it. Well, until next time, y'all go out there, be nice to one another. I love you. God bless. Bye-bye.